the camera.
Open the camera. It's grandma. Hi, grandma.
You said, hello, baby.
Hi, grandma.
Implore me. Guys, implore me. You know, over there, fat him up. And you could hear?
Just love breast milk.
Hold on, Anna, where you here there?
Eh?
Yeah.
I grew up at mommy. It a drop off every day.
Really?
Yeah.
I true, Daniel.
Yeah, she got that far here.
That's
He do break up because you know he never trust me. Cause me tell him to me ear a drop out.
Okay.
You look like Anna bad. You look like Anna. Cute. You're so handsome, not cute. You're just handsome that just. Hey, me have to go bite you. Me have to go bite you. So you, what the hell? Daniel, can I this is as them man for catchy.
Break up his scissors.
I hear and then I break up man and ta fall out. So she got cut off it.
Oh, my regrow. So when you regrow, I hope you not put back no chemical in that, you know.
Oh, this time me not creamy.
Can you have nice hair, you know? Guys, me want to talk to no me try to get me no know the number what she give me now work. You can't text me.
Me I call your mommy.
Me want, but you need to do it like as me come out for the live now. Lift him up. The both of you guys need to call me. I'm not joking because I remember saying next week Wednesday, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, next week, thank you, baby. And next week Wednesday, and somebody offer me to keep the party. Like them I go keep a party for me, and it a go be senti. So that means me I go have a car where I go carry like come pick you up and. Hold on there. From which part we there from Ochi? We can pass and pick it up and go down Senti way? You can go, sir?
You have to go Mandeville and go down 30 to go Senti.
Oh. So you guys would have come down, come meet up with and everybody just go in a car. Cause me need to talk to you guys. We can't talk certain things for you, so.
I told the other phone I get problem on the tablet not ring.
Oh, so you know my number? You know my recent number? Say first part. Say first number. Say first one. I mean no.
One road chat.
No, go so.
No, for true.
Guys, thank you.
I go see. Me know.
Please, Anna. Daniel, make she call me, please.
I make she call us to come out.
Yeah, man. Cause we have some plans we don't need to hear about.
Triple chat. Come
Chat,
here.
use the triple.
Use a triple. Use a triple. Use a triple. Use a triple. Choose. Choose. I look rude, so do something about him, guys. Thank you, babies. Thank you, guys. What something about him? He just look rude.
He rude, bad.
Me, Daniel, I tell him, say, cuss. Cuss.
Bad man, I tell them rude.
Guys, thank you, baby. Guys, thank you. Guys, use a triple. Use a triple. You not catch a triple, Anna?
Yeah, man, we catch a triple.
Oh. I love this. Girl, I love this more. I can't wait. Daniel, wear a piece of blue. Is the Antz family, you know? Anna, wear a piece of blue. Is the Antz family, you know? Is a one unit of Antz, you know? Oh. Daniel, let me tell you who I come. Let me tell you who I come. Jaden, I got it there. I have an artist friend where my bestie name LD, you know, I got it there. Jabba City about, I don't know, Jabba have some things I deal with. The official, I gonna be there. You know, my grandbabies, I gonna be there. Your sisters, them, Chanel, who else? I think we have, my moderator is going to be there also. So it's like one unit. All right? All right. Guys, everybody I will look for soon, you know. Here. Everybody I look for soon, you know. D, yeah, me tell her I said D, I go be there. Me tell her I said D. Me I try to go over a day before D. To do me ear and so. Me not sure if Anna can do that. Anna, I don't want to tell them my hairstyle. Guys, if me talk my hairstyle, then I go know my hairstyle. Me can't talk. Me have to ask Anna in person. No, not. I said no, not. And then see yourself.
Don't get mad.
Of course, me a soft spoken now. No want me talk rough. I can't talk rough. I cannot talk rough right now.
Guys, all on there I put gift no man.
When over here, we say they full up.
Remember say we have event, we have to put gifts so we can